It's birthday present time again? Because
From Aunt Kathy.
Because the other day it was snowing and Aunt Kathy and Grandma couldn't get here for your birthday thing.
It's like Poor me.
Yeah.
Poor me.
You still mommy?
He's cuddling a blanket. Look at that.
Look
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Buzz Lightyear will hold the camera. Okay, what's next, Aunt Kathy? He needs another one? In Cars wrapping paper? In Cars wrapping paper.
He's like, ooh, I know how to do this now. That's from Aunt Kathy.
He doesn't need help ripping that paper anymore.
Yeah, he's good at it.
I'm afraid.
Okay,
Can you open it?
Yeah.
Let Kathy do it.
Okay, I open it, sweetie pie. You think you'll like this? Oh, soccer.
Yes.
It's a soccer ball. That's what you
Good
do.
job, honey.
That's what you do. Good job.
Oh, that's
You
good.
can kick it to brother? Okay, kick it to brother.
Oh.
You stand up.
Okay.
He knows the rules.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ready?
Good job. Daniel, you're a soccer player. I had no idea.
Cindy Beckham? Oh. Oh, you're so good at it.
Okay, do you want to try another present now? Oh, you try football. Okay.
What's this one?
I didn't know.
It's a baseball.
Like that.
Oh,
Nicely in the house.
careful.
Nicely.
Oh, I need
There's
football.
Oh, oops.
Oh my.
Oh, no.
Nice.
I didn't know.
Try again.
Yeah.
Throw it to sister.
Oh.
Daniel, throw it to mama.
Throw it to sister.
Throw it to sister.
Oh.
Oh, you want to see the basketball?
Daniel, dribble it.
Oh, wait.
Dribble.
Might not dribble.
Not football.
Okay. Don't bang too much because it'll wake Sammy up.
All right, now let's see another
I
present.
got score.
Want to look at other presents?
You want to look at more presents?
Yeah.
Okay. And Kathy's got one more?
Two more. Well,
Oh, something like
come here, Kathy.
Oh, what is it, Daniel? Daniel, I can't see.
Show mommy when you're opening it.
What's that?
A sticker.
Is it stuck to you? What is it? Cars crayons?
Coloring.
Cars coloring?
Oh, he's already trying to open it.
Let's see. Cars coloring. Cars crayons.
Soccer.
Here's the soccer again. Oh my goodness.
The sister? Daniel, trade places with brother.
Okay, why don't you look at the rest of Aunt Kaki's presents? We've got many presents.
Yeah, there's more presents,
Want
Daniel.
more presents?
Yeah.
Okay, there's a present from Kaki.
Oh.
What do you think it is?
What could it be?
It's on a stick.
Oh, no, mine is white.
A lollipop? Wow.
It's a big lollipop.
What kind of lollipop is it? Do you need help?
Nope.
I see. There you go.
It's a tree one.
It's a tree lollipop?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
That's a great lollipop.
Go and take it.
Okay. More presents, more presents. Uh-oh.
Oh.
What do you think
What could that
is?
be?
What is it?
What could it be, Daniel?
Oh.
Too much tape?
It's on a stick.
There's a lot of tape on it.
It's Peanut or Jalapeno on a stick or whatever that, what's that character?
Jalapeno on a stick.
Want help?
No.
Too much tape then, Kathy? Yeah, I put a lot of tape on it.
Oh, Daniel, let brother help you.
Here, let me help.
No, don't.
Help you.
No, don't.
Let me make a rip for you to. Let me make it easier to help.
There you go. You got it.
All right, turn around, let me see.
Turn around, show Mama.
Let's see what you got. Boom! Another lollipop! Wow.
I didn't know.
It's just a big circle lollipop of many different colors and flavors.
Spiral.
And the stick got bent.
Please open it.
Yeah, that's
Now?
He could have a little, he'd never finish it. He could have a little bit
Which
of it.
one? Pick one.
That one.
Okay, he'll never finish it, so he'll have a little bit. And how about more presents?
Oh,
More presents? Grandma presents.
Grandma wants to
You want grandma's presents now?
You must just